How to personalize result in Google AI mode? Follow this step. To start off, open the Google app on your phone. Once the page loads, make sure Google AI mode is enabled. Now that you're in the Google AI mode, start by typing the question that reflects your personal interest. Once you get a response, continue the conversation in the same thread. Ask follow-up question to guide AI towards your ideal result. For a deeper level of customization, scroll to the top and click on the profile icon at the top right corner. From the side menu, click on the Search Personalization. Then toggle the switch beside Personalize Search to on position. This enables Google AI to tailor results based on your preferences. Furthermore, go back. At the end of each reply, you will see a thumbs up or thumbs down icon. Use this option to give feedback. This action helps AI improve its future responses. That's it. Now you know how to personalize results in Google AI mode.